Are you ready for a delicious drink and groovy surf music? Because we have both. Hello and welcome to the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen, where we're coming to you from New Haven, Connecticut and seeing 3 of our favorite surf music bands and visiting a fabulous home tiki bar. Grab a drink and join us. We're starting our tour with a lovely libation at the home of our friends Sean and Michelle Saxton in their fabulous tiki room, Mama Kika and Papa Kana's rumpus room. Michelle's going to show us how to make their house specialty cocktail, the Sweet Bippy. Take it away, Michelle.
When I make the Sweet Bippy, I make them for 2 because my husband always wants one. So we'll start off with 2 iced glasses and a cocktail shaker filled with ice. I start off with a white rum. Any white rum will do. I prefer Bacardi. I'd say about a 6 count. And then I also like a spiced rum. Today we have Sailor Jerry, and that's about a 3 count. Little dash of some triple sec. We'll do some OJ. I just go until the cocktail shaker's full with the juices, to be quite honest. And here we have some pineapple juice. Need a little bit of grenadine, and then a couple dashes of bitters. We like to make them. The Sweet Bippy.
Delicious. Michelle is also the owner of Go Cat Go Productions and brings fabulous bands from all over the country and the world to the New Haven area. Tonight we're seeing the Men in Gray Suits, the Black Flamingos, and Ninth Wave. So slip on your dancing shoes and get ready to rock. What an amazing evening. Thank you to Michelle, Sean, Go Cat Go, as well as the Men in Gray Suits, Ninth Wave, and the Black Flamingos for an amazing evening of Tiki and Surf. Thank you for visiting the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen. Be sure to visit our Facebook page for lovely libations, liquored up live broadcasts, and more. It's always happy hour at the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen.